So the beauty of St.neots is, as you can see, you know, you're able to walk all the way around this. It's great, love it. So I am the other side of the caravan site where people usually come to stay. It's so beautiful, so pretty. I need a stabiliser. It's really hard to hold the camera really still when you walk in. Listen to the birds. Pop on your headphones if you haven't already. We all take for granted nature. It's been so part of my life. I don't think I'd ever want to be told that I can't go there on my own without booking it or having a chip or whatever it is. So those people that really can't get out there, well, this is for you. Enjoy. I'm filming right here because the other day I saw this really tall bird and I couldn't work out what it was. And it makes a noise a bit like an old starter motor when you're trying to turn the car over and the starter motor is going. Can't do that. But I thought if I film a little bit here, you can see for yourself if you hear it. And then I'm going to go a bit further in and I'm going to see if I can find it. So stay tuned. I hope you've got your headphones on. It kind of makes that noise sort of like about every 5 minutes. So maybe we should just venture in. Yeah? Okay. So we're going in. There it was! Did you hear it? That was it. That was it. Just want to know if you know what it is. Leave your comment down below. I'm still here. I was right. I was right. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I was right. It was 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go and explore. I can't believe I just missed it. I just missed it. This is the bridge that I've stood on filming. This is what we call the Conigere Bridge. This is the Amesbury Bridge, linking Eaton Soke and Eaton Ford and St.neots to Amesbury. By the river. You just got to love it. For those that can't get out, you know, this is for you guys. coming to see if I've got anything for him. And I haven't. I'm sorry. Two more. Great time of the day. Just after 5 in the evening. I'm on the other side of this in the video. You'll recognise it if you've watched the whole video. Got your little fishing pictures. All day that's been going on. And the bizarre thing about it is I keep feeling like something drops on me, but I'm sat by the river, so it could be anything. But I just feel, yeah, I'm feeling it falling down. What the fuck? If I go down with this COVID-19, right, know that this is what's done it, right? Know this, right? Listen, please listen, look. What the hell? Yeah? You see this? You think it's all right? You think all these lines are all right? Look at them. I can feel it in the air. I'm not doing this to try and scare you. I'm doing this because we need to wake up and see it. Wake up, I mean, wake up spiritually. I spiritually woke up, and now I'm left with, like, what do I do about what I know? Can you see it evaporating? Can you see that? Nuts. Sickened by what's going on in the sky. Really. full moon.